in Malaysia. Welcome to Malaysia. Getting a bus tour of the city. Very nice. Arrived at the bus station. At the bus terminal. I bought my boarding pass. We got music. Freaking bus is late. There's only 2 of us here. Have a little break after 2 hours of driving. I am in Kuala Lumpur. Thank you, bus. Bought myself a token. I'll try to go to DJI to fix my pocket. 34 degrees outside. We need level 7. There, I found it. No luck, I have to fix it in the United States. They have a theme park in here. Welcome everybody. How was your trip? Let's go. We have a beautiful river. My Airbnb I'm in. Room tour. Bed, single, TV table, washer. And this goes for $23 a day. Durian Festival. Petronas Towers. Some good looking towers. They're doing photos for money. Impressive, eh?
Go down a little bit, more down.
Busy, very busy area. Welcome. Is it real? Another day in Kuala Lumpur. Going to explore Chinatown. Oh yeah. And get a fruit. Spider-Man. Crazy. We got some juice. And we're going to the walk. Not much going on. Lots of tourists. Central market. All kinds of things you can buy. How you doing? Strawberry and chocolate. It's a good stuff. A river of life. Second tallest flagpole in Malaysia. We are in LED Woods. Plaza Low Yacht. Let's do it. Very nice. We're going in. We got every brand you ever want. We got some food. $3. This would have been $12 in Los Angeles. Freaking phones everywhere. Everybody's so friendly when I say hello. They have a normal prices, nothing special. Now I'm going to this place. Some gamers.
Karena tak sempat untuk hari ini, esok masih kali untuk datang bersama-sama kita.
Another day in Kuala Lumpur. We're going to Batu caves to see some monkeys and some caves. Almost at the train station. Something's on fire. Putra station. Getting my ticket. We got it. Train is here. We are on the spot. Very nice. Oh yeah, we found monkeys. It's still in the water. Alright, well, let's do it. Lots of freaking steps, right? It's not so bad. Just come on with me. That was easy. Impressive. What? Walking around the cave. And we out of here. What are you going, bro? You good? Monkey stole my water. And it's done. Batu caves. Been there, done that. What are you doing? We got a good view of a downtown. $6.36. Got some kids swimming. Let's try to get to the roof. Oh yeah. Freaking ridiculous. Some balls. I've just been up there. Beautiful vehicle. Another one. The whole neighborhood is gorgeous. National Art Gallery. Some say it's free. Free museum, let's go. First aid kit, the pills of love. That's not good. landscapes. Not much to see. I do not recommend. This place doesn't look finished. So apparently this place is for sale. It's been here since 2021. $20 to get up there. No thank you. We are car spotted in Kuala Lumpur. Freaking nice. Another Ferrari. Getting my ramen. We got a good stuff. Big city life. GTR in the house. It is Sunday today. And I'm off to Thailand now. See you later, Kuala Lumpur.